Today, millions of students sit in the same classrooms, listen to the same lessons, take the same exams. But here's the problem. The modern education system tries to fit everyone into the same mold. It kills creativity, suppresses dreams, and ignores individuality. One student might be brilliant in math, another in art. But the system only looks at grades, as if every human should learn the same way. Instead of discovering their passions, kids are forced to solve endless tests. Instead of free thinking, they learn memorization. Instead of exploration, they're taught obedience. And the worst part? When school ends, many young people don't even know who they are. Because while trying to look successful, they lose their true potential. Education creates pressure instead of inspiration. It gives ready-made answers instead of teaching how to question. It silences curiosity instead of growing it. It ignores differences instead of celebrating them. And in the end, millions of young people live for the system, rather than for life itself.